Good evening, respected judges. I am Pranav Panchal from BCom first year F division, roll number 34050. I am going to review a book named Rework. This book is for the peoples who wanted to start a business, and it will also help the peoples who have not even dreamed of starting a business or whose business is doing greatly, and also for the entrepreneurs who want to increase their productivity. And this book will also help the peoples who are rightly in a job but they want to start their business. And what we learn from this book is that this book is all about starting a business, how to start a business, when to start our business, how it takes less resources than we think to start a business, and when to hire someone and whom to hire for our employees. I will show this book to you. This is the book Rework. This book has two authors. The first one is Mr. Jason Fried, and the another is Mr. David Hanson. Jason Fried is an American entrepreneur and designer. Mr. Jason owns a company, and he is the co-founder in that company, and it is a software company, and its name is Basecamp. And Mr. David Hanson is a Danish entrepreneur and programmer. He is the creator of the company Ruby on Rails, a software programming company. And they both are known for their no nonsense writing, which challenges the corporate conventional corporate systems. And they are very much against the long working hours. They prefer calm environment, sustainable and calm environment. My learnings from this book are the author says planning is simply just guessing. If we are planning our work before starting the work and without getting the experience of the work, we don't know how the work is, how many efforts it will take, how many time it will take, what would be the resources. Without identifying all these problems, if we are planning our work, then it means we are simply just guessing the work, and instead therefore it's sure that our plans will fail if we don't have the experience or a certain experience of a work. Then it is sure that we will fail in our plans. Instead we should try that we should have a rough plan in our mind, and before and getting attached to without getting attached to the plan, we should start working. And after some time, when we get some experience of the work, then we can make a detailed plan, or a detailed and flexible plan, and then we should continue according to the work. And my second learning from this book is the author says workaholism is foolishness. He says that if a person is workaholic, he is foolish in compared only in compared to the person who completes the work in less time, or who does the work more productively without it is not necessary that he completes or not completes the work, but he is more productive in less time. It is brilliance. And the author is not against working for very much long hours, but he is simply just saying that we should focus on completing the work and being more productive in less time, rather than being just working for so many long hours. And the other things that the book teaches us, that how to say no and how to say sorry in corporate world. I really like the book, and I will definitely recommend this to the people who are interested in starting a business, who want to become entrepreneurs, and for the students who wants to increase their productivity, who wants to learn more or being more productive, or learn to manage time in less time. This book completely focuses on being more productive in less time. And thank you so much, respected judges, for giving me your valuable time and consideration, and also for giving me a chance in this videographic book review competition. Thank you so much.